Raffy Drawings, draw with me. Before we start drawing, leave a like on the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's kick things off by drawing Pikachu's head. Then we'll sketch out the Christmas hat.
Let's dive into the facial details, starting with the eyes, then the nose, mouth, and cheek circles. Next up, let's create Pikachu's adorable Christmas scarf, followed by outlining the body and tail. Lastly, let's add in the arms and the Pokéball. Now it's time to bring it to life with colors. We'll begin by filling in all the parts with red, then add a touch of pink to the mouth. For the tail's final touch, a hint of brown, and to finish it off, let's coat the rest in vibrant yellow. Raffy the dinosaur needs you. Give the video a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.